In the era dominated by digital innovation, non-fungible tokens, NFT, have emerged as a groundbreaking force, reshaping how we perceive and engage with digital assets. This extensive guide aims to unravel the complexities of the NFT landscape, providing a deep dive into the myriad opportunities available for individuals seeking financial gains within this dynamic and rapidly evolving ecosystem. Today, we will talk about how to make money with NFTs. So make sure to watch the full video. Understanding the essence of NFT. The non-fungibility revolution. At the heart of NFT lies the concept of non-fungibility, a unique quality that sets them apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. Unlike interchangeable tokens, each NFT carries a distinct digital identity, securely recorded on a blockchain. This section delves into the core principles of non-fungibility, emphasizing how blockchain technology ensures authenticity and ownership of these one-of-a-kind digital assets. Digital ownership redefined. NFT have triggered a paradigm shift in the concept of digital ownership. From digital art and music to virtual real estate and in-game items, NFT provide a tangible sense of ownership in the digital realm. This segment explores the transformative impact of NFT, democratizing the art and content creation landscape while giving creators and buyers unprecedented control over their digital possessions. Creating NFT. From concept to token, for those aspiring to capitalize on the NFT wave, the creation process is a crucial step. This section offers a step-by-step guide on how to create NFT, covering essential aspects such as selecting a blockchain, choosing the right NFT marketplace, and understanding the technical requirements. It caters to a diverse audience, including digital artists, musicians, and content creators looking to enter the NFT space. Smart contracts and minting magic. Smart contracts, the backbone of NFT, are self-executing contracts encoded with the terms of the agreement. This segment demystifies smart contracts, elucidating how they facilitate the minting process, the creation of NFT. Aspiring NFT creators will gain insights into the technicalities of minting and the associated costs, demystifying the journey from creative inception to digital tokenization. Selecting the right marketplace. Navigating the NFT bazaar. The NFT marketplace landscape is diverse, with platforms catering to various niches and audiences. This segment provides an in-depth exploration of popular NFT marketplaces, from OpenSea and Rarible to specialized platforms like Foundation and NBA Top Shot. Aspiring creators and buyers will gain valuable insights into the features, fees, and community dynamics of these bustling digital marketplaces. Building a digital brand. Success in the NFT space extends beyond creating digital assets. It involves building a brand and establishing a presence within the NFT community. This section offers strategic advice on how to market NFT, leverage social media, and engage with the vibrant NFT community. Building a loyal following and fostering relationships within the NFT space are crucial components of long-term success. Monetizing NFT. Primary sales and residual riches. Monetization avenues within the NFT space are diverse. Primary sales, where creators sell their NFT for the first time, represent one stream of income. Additionally, NFT creators can earn royalties, a percentage of sales, whenever their NFT are resold in secondary markets. This segment provides a comprehensive overview of primary sales, royalties, and the intricate economic dynamics of the NFT ecosystem. Virtual real estate ventures and gaming goldmines. Beyond traditional digital art, NFT have expanded into virtual real estate and gaming. This section explores how individuals can make money by investing in virtual real estate, participating in play-to-earn gaming ecosystems, and trading virtual goods as NFT. The convergence of NFT and gaming presents a dynamic landscape for earning within the evolving metaverse. Investing in NFT. Strategies for NFT investment success. For those looking to venture into the NFT space as investors, this segment provides strategic insights into NFT investment. From understanding the value proposition of specific NFT to evaluating market trends and assessing the long-term potential of digital assets, aspiring NFT investors will find valuable guidance on navigating this burgeoning market. NFT funds and diversified portfolios. As the NFT market matures, investment funds and portfolios focused on NFT have emerged. This section explores the concept of NFT funds, their investment strategies, and how individuals can participate in NFT investment portfolios. Diversification, risk management, and staying informed about market trends are central themes in this segment. Challenges and future trends. Addressing NFT hurdles. While the NFT space presents lucrative opportunities, it comes with its set of challenges. This section addresses common challenges such as copyright concerns, environmental considerations related to blockchain energy consumption, and the potential for market volatility. Navigating these challenges is crucial for individuals aiming to establish a sustainable presence in the dynamic NFT ecosystem. Anticipating emerging trends. The NFT landscape is dynamic, and staying ahead of emerging trends is key to long-term success. This segment provides insights into the evolving landscape of NFT, including upcoming blockchain technologies, the integration of augmented reality, and the potential for NFT in the realms of virtual and augmented reality. Understanding these trends empowers individuals to position themselves strategically within the ever-evolving NFT ecosystem. As we conclude this expansive guide to making money with NFT, it is evident that the NFT space is a multifaceted and dynamic realm. Whether you are a digital creator, investor, or enthusiast, the NFT ecosystem offers diverse pathways for financial growth and creative expression. Navigating this space requires a combination of creativity, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of the evolving dynamics within the digital economy. As the NFT continue to reshape industries and redefine ownership in the digital age, individuals embarking on this journey are poised to be at the forefront of a transformative era. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.